The number one relationship mistake that's sabotaging your success and how to fix it now. So the last few videos I've been sharing the 5 pillars of entrepreneurial well-being: positive emotions, engagement, also known as flow, positive relationships, which this video is about, meaning, and accomplishments. So today we focus in on positive relationships, but first and foremost, we're going to address the elephant in the room. That's negative relationships. Then we're going to go into what constitutes as a positive relationship as a business owner. And as a bonus, I'm going to share another relationship mistake is absolutely sabotaging your success. And if you take the hint I'm going to give you, you can literally double, triple, or even 10x your revenue with this tip. Hey, Supercharged Entrepreneur, this is Mark Dharma, high performance coach to 7- and 8-figure entrepreneurs. I've had the pleasure of working with notable business leaders like Sam Evans, founder of consulting.com and school.com, and Alex Moses, business partner, Ty Lopez, Will Brown, Brian Moncada, Jeremy Haynes, and many other highly successful entrepreneurs that you haven't heard of yet. Finally, if you're an entrepreneur who wants to learn cutting-edge techniques, strategies, and skills to scale to $1 million a month, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will repay you by helping you achieve that goal much faster. Okay, so whether it's a toxic romantic partner or a draining business associate, these relationships can sap your energy, kill your motivation, and ultimately sabotage your business success and happiness. You can't let that happen. You must identify and remove these negative influences from your life ASAP, or you'll always be fighting uphill with boulders being thrown at you when you least expect it. Sure, it might be tough to let go of these relationships, but business is tough enough sport without people actively trying to take you down. You know who these people are, get rid of them now. On the flip side, cultivating positive relationships can supercharge your growth, fulfillment, and overall well-being. Start by nurturing connections with friends and family who support your dreams and lift you up. My past mentor and client, Ty Lopez, literally flew his high school buddy, Zach Cuckman, rest in peace, Zach, from South Carolina to the Hollywood Hills and gave him a job just so he could nurture that positive relationship. Zach and Ty were best friends, and having Zach around really helped Ty have fun while scaling his business past $3 million a month. Now, Ty is an extreme person, and thus he gets extreme results. But you can at least surround yourself with people who believe in you and your vision. Their love and encouragement will give you the strength to persevere through the challenges of entrepreneurship. But don't stop there. When it comes to business growth, the fastest path to explosive revenue growth is through strategic partnerships and joint ventures. This is another positive relationship. By collaborating with other experts, thought leaders, and businesses, you can tap into new audiences, leverage the trust and credibility of your partners, create a rising tide that lifts all boats. Unfortunately, I've noticed a concerning trend in the high-ticket coaching industry, and that's a lack of collaboration and joint ventures. Too many coaches and consultants operate from a scarcity mindset, fearing that promoting others will somehow diminish their own success. This couldn't be further from the truth. As my billionaire mentor and past client, Big Mike of Advanced Nutrients, always says, a buyer is a buyer is a buyer. And what he means by that is if someone invests in your course or mastermind, they're likely to invest in other people's courses and masterminds too. They're buyers. They like to buy that type of thing over and over again. Just look at the massive success of industry giants like Ty Lopez and Sam Evans. Instead of seeing themselves as competitors, it is just less than a decade ago, they joined forces and promoted each other's programs like crazy. The result? Millions in revenue and a huge impact on countless lives. So here's my challenge to you. Number 1, take stock of your relationships. Identify any negative influences and take steps to distance yourself from them or cut ties completely. Your well-being and success depend on it. Second, nurture your positive relationships. Make time for the people who matter most and who support your dreams. Their love and encouragement will fuel your journey. Third, reach out to at least one potential JV partner this week. Look for potential partners who have the same customer avatar as you with a complementary product or service. Explore how you can support each other's growth and success. The power of positive relationships, both on the personal and professional level, cannot be overstated. They're the foundation of a fulfilling life and a thriving business. So don't be a fool, embrace the abundance mindset, collaborate with others, and watch your success and happiness soar to new heights. If you want to meet like-minded entrepreneurs, join my free school community by clicking the link in the comment. There, you'll meet other entrepreneurs as well as get live free guided meditation every day by a real-life instructor. You'll also get some free breathwork sessions, some free lessons that are going to help you increase your energy, your focus, your productivity. And if you want to speak to me, you have direct access to me there too. I also give free coaching calls there. So join the free school community. And if you're an entrepreneur with revenues over $150,000 a month and want help growing your business, book a call with me. The link is in the bio. You can book a free coaching call. It's 30 minutes. We'll go deep into how can we get you to make a lot more money faster. To your relationship-fueled success, Mark Dharma, high-performance coach to 7- and 8-figure entrepreneurs since 2008, unleashing your entrepreneurial potential to quantum leap your revenue. I'm the CEO and founder of Supercharge Entrepreneurs. I've got a bachelor's degree in sports science and physiology, master's in positive organizational psychology, advanced NLP hypnotherapy specialist. I'll see you soon.